In this video, I will show you how to combine the creative power of Claude with the design speed of Canva to build professional presentation outlines in record time. We start by heading over to Claude to generate our content. You should type in your specific presentation topic, define your target audience, and state your clear goals. For the best results, give Claude a very specific prompt. Tell it to create a presentation outline for your topic with an exact number of slides. Ask it to provide a slide title, 3 punchy bullet points, and a 1-sentence script for every single slide. This ensures your data is clean and ready for the next step. Once Claude generates that outline, copy the text and move it into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You need to organize this information into 3 distinct columns labeled slide title, body text, and notes. After you have pasted everything into the correct columns, save your spreadsheet specifically as a CSV file. This format is essential for the automation to work. Now, open up a new presentation template in Canva that fits your style. Look over at the sidebar and click on the Apps section, then search for and select the tool called Bulk Create. This is the secret weapon for saving hours of manual work. Choose the option to upload your CSV file and select the document you just saved. You will see your data fields appear on the screen. To map them, simply right-click on the text boxes in your slide design and select the option to connect data. Match the slide title box to your title column and the bullet points to your body text column. Finally, click the Generate button and Canva will instantly create a unique slide for every row in your spreadsheet. This workflow allows you to focus on the message while the tools handle the tedious formatting.